the Italian BRAINROT AI animals. Ready to start? Who's our first character?
Tralalero, tralala.
Who do you think it is? Yep, it's number 4.
Tralalero, tralala.
Next challenge for you. Only 5% of you can like this video and subscribe before time runs out. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Can you guess the monster?
Bombardiro, crocodilo.
Who do you think it is? That's right, number 6.
Bombardiro, crocodilo.
Who's this character?
La vacca Saturno Saturnita.
Who do you think it is? Bingo, it's number 11.
La vacca Saturno Saturnita.
Recognize this character?
Baloni lulilolli, capibarello cocossini.
Can you guess it? You got it, that's number 1.
Baloni lulilolli, capibarello cocossini.
Would you rather have Tralalero Tralala or Bombardiro Crocodilo?
Tralalero, tralala. Bombardiro, crocodilo.
Show your choice, subscribe or like. Let us know your answer in the comments. Try guessing this one.
Lirili larila, elefante nel deserto che cammina qua e là.
Can you figure it out? Correct. Say hello to number 10.
Lirili larila, elefante nel deserto che cammina qua e là.
How about this one?
Bonbon, spaghetti toaletti, toaletto spaghetto.
What about this one? Nailed it! It's number 9.
Bonbon, spaghetti toaletti, toaletto spaghetto.
Can you spot the odd one out? This one is odd from the rest. Here's another challenge for you.
Trippi troppi, troppa trippa. Tre topi trotterellano.
Who might this be? Spot on. That's number 2.
Trippi troppi, troppa trippa. Tre topi trotterellano.
What character do you think this is?
Scimpanzini, bananini, bananucci, monkeyucci.
Who might this be? Absolutely, it's number 13.
Scimpanzini, bananini, bananucci, monkeyucci.
This one's tricky.
Boneca ambalabu.
Can you guess who this is? Well done, that's number 5.
Boneca ambalabu.
Rate the hybrid of Berber Patapim and Tralalero Trulicina.
Mero trulicina. Brr, patapimerina.
Rate in the comments with an emoji. Next up.
Zebra zubra, zebralini. Zib zib zebra, zebrocini.
Who do you think it is? It's number 15.
Zebra zubra, zebralini. Zib zib zebra, zebrocini.
Another one for you.
Tung 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 sahur.
Only the most attentive will get this one. No doubt about it, number 8.
Tung 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 sahur.
Can you figure out this character?
Bombombini gusini.
Can you recognize the character? It's number 14.
Bombombini gusini.
Can you spot the 3 hidden characters in the picture? Here are the hidden characters. Recognize this character?
Spioniro golubiro.
Who's character? And the answer is number 7.
Spioniro golubiro.
Here's your next challenge.
Blueberrini octopusini. Blup 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 octopusi.
Who could this be? It's number 12.
Blueberrini octopusini. Blup 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 octopusi.
Next up, guess the next character.
Bananita dolfinita.
Guess now. Yes, that's number 16.
Bananita dolfinita.
I don't think you can click on the next video before time runs out. Ready? You lost.